Let us know about these rich Bollywood actresses who do not buy dresses but wear rental dresses only. Alia Bhatt. Despite being one of the richest Bollywood actresses, Alia is often seen wearing rental dresses. Recently, during an event, Alia liked a dress from Sabyasachi Mukherjee's collection. However, the actress had to wear that dress only once. And that is why this actress rented this dress from Sabyasachi's exclusive collection and returned it after wearing it at the event. Alia also gets rented dresses from Manish Malhotra and other designers too. Katrina Kaif. Being one of the top Bollywood actresses, Katrina owns the net worth of Rs 236 crores. Despite leading a super luxury life, this beautiful actress wears rental dresses in many events, parties and weddings. In fact, whenever Katrina goes to any big event or award show, she loves to rent dresses from Manish Malhotra's collection to save lots of money. Deepika Padukone. Deepika also does not hesitate to take dresses on rent for many events and parties. Recently, during an event, Deepika wore a very beautiful black gown which cost Rs 50 lakhs. This beautiful gown was designed by costume designer Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla. As this actress had to wear this particular dress only once, she had taken this dress on rent by paying Rs 5 lakh. Kriti Sanon. Kriti is also one of those rich actresses who wear rental dresses in events. Since childhood, Kriti loves to avoid unnecessary expenses. That's why she rents most of her dresses from famous designers of Bollywood. However, it is a different matter that this actress has to pay a huge amount for these dresses also. But still, she saves a lot of money this way. Kiara Advani. Kiara Advani is considered as the fashion icon of Bollywood and she is always talked about in Bollywood for her fashion sense. Kiara also rents dresses from designer Manish Malhotra and other designers to attend big Bollywood parties and events. This actress has no problem in wearing rental dresses as she thinks that this is the right way to get most trending dresses while saving a lot of money. Anushka Sharma. Most of Anushka Sharma's clothes are designed by fashion designer Sabyasachi Mukherjee. Even in her wedding, this actress had chosen her bridal lehenga from Sabyasachi's collection. But still, this actress is often seen hiring dresses from Sabyasachi's collection to attend big parties and events of Bollywood. Shraddha Kapoor. Shraddha also sometimes rents her dresses from famous designers. However, despite being the owner of crores, this actress likes to avoid unnecessary expenses as much as possible and prefers to wear rented dresses instead of buying them by spending a whole lot of money. Kareena Kapoor. Kareena is not only a rich actress, she is also Begum of Patodi. But on many occasions, Kareena has also been seen wearing rented dresses. This actress is Manish Malhotra's best friend and whenever Kareena needs a dress for some special event, she rents a dress from her friend's collection. However, Kareena has no problem in wearing rented dresses.